Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to fix low volume issue on any earbuds.
So guys, the problem I've been facing with my earbuds is something that is very annoying, and to be honest guys, I tried all the tricks from YouTube and nothing was working for me. The problem I've been facing is the earbuds volume would be very low. I mean the volume would be maxed out from my smartphone. I tried to raise the volume from my earbuds also, but still the earbuds are really quiet and I feel like they are not as loud as they used to be. The volume would be stuck at 25 to 30%, so it was really annoying listening to anything. So the thing you want to do is you want to go to the Bluetooth settings of your smartphone and basically unpair the earbuds and try to pair them again. For some Chinese earbuds, the earbuds are going to show has the left one and the right one, so you want to make sure to unpair both of them and then try to pair them again. If this doesn't work for you, another thing you can try is to unpair the earbuds from your smartphone Bluetooth list and then try to give the earbuds a hard reset. I mean there would be plenty of videos on YouTube regarding how to hard reset the earbuds. I mean you just have to write the name of your earbuds and just write hard reset, and plenty of videos should appear in YouTube search list. So to be honest guys, I've been having the same problem with my JBL earbuds. I mean they were so loud, but after the update of my smartphone, for some odd reason the volume would be at 40 to 50%. I mean my smartphone would be showing that volume is maxed out. The earbuds would be like beeping that volume is maxed out, but still it would be very quiet. And after trying the same trick like unpairing them and pairing them again, it ended up solving this problem. So that was the main reason for making this video. So if this video was helpful, you can give it a like, and if you're new, consider subscribing or become a part of this channel. And thanks for watching and goodbye.